Hello everyone, this is the Theoretical Doctor and welcome back to my channel. If you want to access flashcards on this topic and other videos, do click the link below. I post weekly videos every Tuesdays and Fridays, so do subscribe for more content. In today's topic, we will be continuing lipids and we will be focusing on steroids. Alright, so steroids are lipids that are made up of 4 hydrocarbon rings with different double bonds and functional side chains. This is how it looks like. This is the basic 4-ring structure, and from it there are a few examples. You have cholesterol, testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, aldosterone, vitamin D, and bile salts. So these are just a few of the diagrams. You don't actually really need to know the drawing except this and maybe cholesterol. These are the examples I mentioned earlier: cholesterol, testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, aldosterone, vitamin D, and bile salts. Now, a little bit on the properties. It's hydrophobic, it's insoluble in water, but most steroids are soluble in organic solvents, and they form micelles with phospholipids. So it's important to take note of cholesterol here. That's why I bold it. It is the precursor, meaning it is essential in the formation of steroid hormones such as testosterone and estrogen. So before testosterone and estrogen are actually formed, you need the cholesterol. Now I'll talk a little bit about anabolic steroids. Anabolic steroids serve to increase the rate of transcription of genes which encodes for actin and myosin proteins, which are essential for making up our muscles as they are able to enter the nucleus of the cells. So basically, these anabolic steroids, they serve to build the muscles, and why they are able to do that, it's because they're able to enter the nucleus of the cells. So in the nucleus of the cells we have the DNA, and from there they're able to increase the rate of transcription of genes. So from there the people are actually able to build their muscles, and this is most commonly misused by sportswomen and sportsmen to illegally build muscle mass, or to enable them, to help them undergo strenuous training, or it's sometimes used illegally in animal feeds, but they are extremely harmful. Now, they are harmful to the liver, heart, and kidney, and they will also inhibit the production of natural sex hormones, which can lead to sterility or infertility. And for females, this also causes development of male characteristics for them, so such as excessive body hair. So some functions of steroids. First of all, it aids in formation of cell membrane, and this is the cholesterol. It maintains the fluidity of the cell membrane. Now, just some side note about cholesterol. Although it is useful, when it exceeds the normal levels in the body, most of the cholesterols in the blood are surrounded by a layer of phospholipids, in which the proteins are embedded to form low-density lipoproteins, LDLs. Now, LDLs are known as bad cholesterols because it is associated with the formation of erythematous plaque, and they will cause atherosclerosis. Now, HDLs, high-density lipoproteins, on the other hand, tends to carry this excess cholesterol back to the liver to be processed. LDL doesn't, and HDL take away the cholesterol. So LDL is bad cholesterol because they contribute to the formation of atherosclerosis. Now, what is atherosclerosis? It is the narrowing of arteries due to the formation of erythematous plaque, or you can just say plaque formation. And this plaque actually are cholesterol deposits on the arterial lining. Now, when the cholesterol deposits on the arterial lining, it will build up over time. And over time, they will restrict the blood flow flowing through the lumen of the arteries, and eventually, first it will restrict, eventually it will leads to the blockage of the passage of blood through the affected area. So that's for cholesterol. Now, it also aids in the formation of male and female sex hormones, as I mentioned earlier, testosterone, estrogen, progesterones. They also help in the formation of bile salts, used in the formation of bile. Now, we know bile is actually used to emulsify our fats, to digest our fats, essentially, in the small intestine. It also aids in the formation of vitamin D. So vitamin D is for our skin, but vitamin D is also important in the production of calcium, and as we know, calcium is actually essential for our bone and teeth formation, and also in the formation of aldosterone hormone in the adrenal cortex. So if you've reached this point, thank you very much. Do subscribe and share this video to those who might find this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.